for their wonderful line of welding machines that they have. But now they're marketing welding helmets. And about a week ago, they contacted me and they sent me 2 welding helmets to test, to try out, to check out, and they just wanted me to give a little review. And so in the box, you're going to get this ANDELI logoed helmet bag for you to put your helmet in so that it keeps it nice and clean. You're also going to get an inner replacement shield and an outer replacement shield. And if you need more, you can just go to their website or their Amazon store and just order some more. You're also going to get an instruction book that tells you everything that you need to know about these helmets. Now, on the side here, we have a shade adjustment all the way from 9 to 13. We also have a weld, cut, and grind mode switch, and we have a delay, an adjustable delay from fast, medium, and slow, and then a full adjustable sensitivity. On the inside, we have a 4-band, fully adjustable helmet, and the back of it has this very large pad for the back of your head, and you can see it's fully adjustable as well. You could probably weld with this helmet on all day long, and it would be very, very comfortable. On the other side of the helmet, we have a little box here, and it has an on and off and a sensor. The on and off, check this out. That's right. It has LED lights built into the helmet, and you have your option of high, medium, or low. And then the sensor button, you push that until this LED light goes green. Watch this. How cool is that? In case you forgot to turn your light on when you close your hood, all you got to do is move your hand in front of the sensor and it'll turn off and on for you. And look at this graphics. That's a really good looking helmet. Now I gotta be honest, this is the first helmet that I've ever tried that has a fully panoramic view. I never thought that I would like that. I always thought that that was kind of gimmicky, but I gotta tell you, I'm wrong. I kind of like this. It gives you a very wide field of vision, and the 2 side panels, of course, are a fixed shade. They don't auto darken. Only the center section is your cartridge for the auto darkening. So if you're looking for a new helmet or you just want a backup, check out ANDELI, A-N-D-E-L-I. You can go to their website or to their Amazon store, and I'll give those links down to you below so that you can go straight to it. And look, I'm not doing this for money. I'm not getting paid for this. I don't even get to keep the helmets. I'm doing this for you. I do all of this channel for you. I don't make anything off these helmets. I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that.